Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoCoin Investor. In this video I'll be showing you how to mine RavenCoin, which is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies to mine. So RavenCoin is getting a lot of popularity, especially among the GPU miners, and to get started we need a wallet, and what better wallet than the Binance owned Trust wallet. This video is not sponsored by Trust, by the way, and this wallet is available for your iPhone, your Android, as well as your Chrome. So if you use a web browser like Chrome, you can have the Trust wallet. And once you have that, we need your RavenCoin address, nothing else. Then you go to 2miners.com. I've given the links, all the links in the description down below, along with their written guide. Okay, and we'll go to the RavenCoin mining pool. We'll click on quick start, and then we'll register. All right, we need to register. It's free of cost. You can also sign up using your Google account, which is very fast. So we've already created the wallet, and now you need to download the mining software. So I've done the homework for you. I've already so I have identified all the necessary files and removed all the unnecessary files, and I've created a small miner. Not created, I've just made it streamlined. Okay, so if you don't trust me, you can just download it from the 2miners.com website. This is what it'll look like. You'll go to the Nvidia folder, and then to this RavenCoin's file, we'll edit in Notepad, and then we will paste our RavenCoin address, which we extracted from the Trust wallet. Then we'll paste it here. Optionally, you can also edit the rig ID. So I'm going to rename it to CCD, which stands for CryptoCoin Daddy, which is our website. By the way, I've written how to guide as well on that website. The link is in the description below. Then all we need to do is we have to give it administrator permissions. Okay, first time it may or may not work, but on the second time we'll double click on it and it'll start working. So right now I'm using a basic laptop with Nvidia GTX 1650 Ti. Okay, so the mining hash rate is not too good. It's basically shabby. This laptop, or any laptop, is not meant for mining, but this is demonstration. Okay, so this is going to work fantastic for your GPU mining rigs, or if you have a high-end Nvidia GPU like 1080 or the 3080 Ti, it is for you guys. Okay, and we have already started mining, and the GPU temperature is increasing very fast because the mining, it is taking in a lot of energy, and that energy is making a lot of heat inside. We already have 73 degrees temperature, and we are receiving new jobs, and my laptop is running very hot right now. I'm doing all this for you guys. So all you need to do is you need to download the miner software from the description, from the mega.co.nz link, and you need to extract it. Your computer may say, hey, this is a dangerous file, and this is obvious because miners take direct control of your GPU. So after that, you need to go to the RavenCoin mining pool, 2miners, and you can paste your address here. My address didn't show up anything because I didn't mine anything, and usually after mining for 30-40 minutes, then that is when your address shows up here, and it will show how many RavenCoins you have earned in a day. Trust wallet worked fantastic for this RavenCoin, and you can exchange it by sending the coins to any supportive exchange, and RavenCoin is available on a variety of popular exchanges, including the Binance. Okay, and let's see how much heat we are producing. We are producing quite a lot of heat, and we are having almost full GPU utilization as well. So the mining is working. The RavenCoin mining is great. It's one of the few coins that is GPU friendly, okay, and that is widely available on exchanges, so you can sell it for real money if you want. So that's all about it. Hope you liked this video. Stay subscribed for more mining videos like this. I'll be pumping out a lot of cryptocurrency mining videos in future. Okay, make sure to go through the written guide as well if you face any problems. That's all about it. Bye bye.